Hello, little friends. Today, I'm going to tell you a sweet story about a little girl named Meera. And guess what? While we listen, we'll also learn some easy English phrases. Are you ready? Let's begin. Star. Once upon a time, Meera woke up to the sound of birds chirping. She opened her eyes, stretched her arms, and smiled. She looked out the window and said, "Good morning." Can you say that too? Say it with me. Good morning. Very good. Meera ran to the kitchen. Her mommy had made hot parathas and milk. Meera sat down and said, "Thank you, Mommy." That's what we say when someone does something kind. Let's try it together. Thank you. Lovely. She took a bite and said, "It's yummy." Say it with me. It's yummy. Great job. After breakfast, Meera played with her toys, blocks, dolls, and even her toy drum. But when it got messy, her mommy said, "Let's clean up." And Meera replied, "All done," once everything was neat again. Let's say those together. Let's clean up. All done. Well done. Later, Meera sat with her coloring book. She drew a sun, a tree, and a smiling cat. She said, "I love learning." Say it with me. I love learning. Wonderful. Mommy looked at her picture and said, "Good job, Meera." That made Meera so happy. Let's say it too. Good job. Moon, good night, and sweet dreams. At night, Meera got cozy in her bed. She hugged her teddy bear and whispered, "Good night, sweet dreams." Can you say it softly with me? Good night, sweet dreams. Perfect! And that, my little friends, was Meera's day. She played, learned, helped, and rested, and used so many lovely English phrases. Let's remember what we learned today. Good morning. Thank you. It's yummy. Let's clean up. All done. I love learning. Good job. Good night. Sweet dreams. If you had fun, don't forget to come back for more stories, songs, and learning only on TinyTunesTV. Bye-bye, little stars. Shine bright and speak right.